We are behind the scenes, season 2. I'm gonna give you a tour. And Ryan's always around. He's always got the camera in my face. It's kind of important to make the show happen. Let's go, Ryan. People like this. Bing. Travis.
Hi.
Travis has been with me since season 1.
Hey.
This is Michael and Ryan. Photography people. They run the cameras. They're literally the ones that, you know, make the show. Look how short Bradley is.
Jenn stand-in.
Yeah, Jenn stand-in. Hayden's wallpaper is going up and is looking so good. You like that artistic flair? I do. Look at it. Nate! Nate helps us stay safe with COVID rules and wearing great hats. And there's Brian. What do you do all day, Brian?
A lot of giggling.
A lot of giggling. And that is the entire crew of No Demo Reno for season 2. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Okay, bye.